the mundo.
All right. And we already said SPY flipping green to red is bearish as well, right? So hopefully you guys all got paid on that monster pull. Look at that. That was a bad boy. Now this is a retest. This is a breakthrough retest to the upside to see if this is now going to be either support or resistance. But look at that payoff. And if you think that's not a lot, SPY from this 476 to 475.64, 100 contracts. This pull right here is about $8,000 the way it immediately dropped with Gamma.